Want to see what $275,000 gets you in Lakeland, Florida? This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa, and wait till you see what it looks like inside. So you walk in, you have this hallway. You have a 1-car garage with access to the laundry room that way, and to the left, you have a full bedroom. Large windows, this could be an office. Then there's a full bath right here. This bathroom has been updated with a nice new shower. Down the hall is the kitchen. Brand new backsplash. Stainless steel appliances are fairly new. And then this refrigerator is brand new. You can see how it is opened up to the breakfast nook, or this could be a full dining room if you wanted to. Off the kitchen, you have the laundry room with access to the garage. This is where your hot water heater is. You have a sink and the washer and dryer hookup, and look at all this storage area you have. In fact, this could be an office if you wanted. Let's go see what the dining room looks like. Whoa, this dining room is huge. And if you needed 3 bedrooms, this could very easily be closed in. It has a window, put in a little closet, and you got a 3rd bedroom. Down here is a huge family room. And then you have a home office space here, or this could be a playroom. And then out here, you have a little patio. Now, let's go see the master. The master is right through here. It has a huge walk-in closet. And then here is the master bathroom, all updated. Big walk-in shower. This is not a 55 plus community. If you're interested, contact Elizabeth Willers with eXp Realty. This is going for $275,000.